What if every new client automatically triggered AI to do the work for you, with no emails, no copying and pasting, and no follow-ups? Welcome back to Purposefully AI. Today, you'll learn how to automate client workflows using 3 powerful tools: ChatGPT, Notion, and Zapier. Let's break down the core system that turns client work into an automated machine. A client action triggers a workflow, and the AI immediately completes the task based on their instructions. The finished work is delivered automatically. No more inbox chaos, no forgotten steps, just a clean loop from client to AI to delivery. The first essential step is setting up your Notion command center to serve as your single source of truth. Create a Notion database called Client Requests. This is where every single request will live. Add key fields for client details, service type, detailed instructions, and a status field with options like New, In Progress, and Delivered. Next, we eliminate manual friction by automating the client intake process. Instead of emails, use a simple Google form or Tally form to collect all necessary client details. Zapier is the tool that connects that form directly to Notion. When a client submits, a new entry appears instantly in your database. No copying and pasting. Now comes the most powerful part, letting AI handle the bulk of the client work. Zapier watches for new entries in Notion. When one appears, it sends the client instructions straight to ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates the client's order, whether it's product descriptions, social media captions, or scripts, and the output is automatically sent back into Notion. With the work complete, Zapier handles the final steps of delivery and status tracking. Zapier can be set up to email the finished work directly to the client, making the process feel like a polished agency experience. It also updates the Notion status to Delivered, keeping your command center perfectly up to date with zero effort. This is where the real income leverage comes in. You can deliver faster and take on many more clients. You stop trading time for money and start selling systems. This shift is where real scalability for your business begins. That's how you automate client workflows using AI, Notion, and Zapier. Simple systems, real income. If you want the exact prompts and templates behind this workflow, download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below. It includes systems you can copy and use today. And subscribe to Purposefully AI, because next I'll show you how to sell pre-built AI workflows as digital products.